in Cedar Rapids, we got more elevators. Looks like Montgomery. Oh, 1, 2. Here it is. 3 chimes for down. Yep. Bumper. I bet this was a Montgomery. Oh yeah, look. These were Montgomery. Look, you can see on this one a lot. Oh, this one's original. Bell too, let's see. No, it doesn't have the original bell. I don't know why they kept the original lantern on this one, but not the other. Is that the original call? No, it's not. I like this cab, though. Back to 2. $250 feet per minute. Principal building 2. Non-ADA phone. Anyway. That will be it.